So now we're going to inspect what they remove from there.
All that shit.
Well, what kind of shit is that?
That's the air conditioning. Well, that's the dryer from the air conditioning. These are the air conditioning hoses.
Okay.
And this is the
filter?
No, this is the that's
radiator.
A coil. That's a heating coil. Well, we don't need heaters in the tropics.
Okay.
They took it out so that because that's in front of the cooling coil.
Yeah.
And if you want to clean the
yeah,
cooling coil, you have to take this out. So most people just take it out and they blank it off. So there's no heater in it anymore. But you can always put it back in.
Oh, okay. So what's really the main thing that you let them do?
These hoses, they replaced these hoses.
Yeah.
And because it was leaking somewhere. Now, they're not high pressure hoses, you can tell that because look, they've got bloody just clamps on them, you know. But anyway,
so
useless bricks.
Final. Don't say that. I put this on YouTube.
Okay. Now let's see if the air conditioning works.
So, oh, there's a sunny glass there. Is that yours? Oh, might be from the worker.
Did Chris go? Oh, they're bloody
graded.
So they've been laying in here, flogging around for a long time, like.
Yeah. Okay. Final test.
Contact.
Contact. Did they also did the mileage? Or
Well, I'll take that to
I can feel it's cooling up.
well, see, when we don't open those because
It's bugged?
No, because well, that's open for here. This one's open for here, but if you open them all,
I can
there's
see
not
everywhere.
much flow out of any one. So
Yeah. Yeah, I reckon it's cold, but how long it will last?
oh, they did it last Friday. It's Friday now.
Yeah.
They gassed it last Friday.
Yeah.
Left over last weekend. On Monday they said it was perfect, and he said that the temperature in the cab gets down to 5 degrees.
5 degrees.
So went with the door shut.
Oh, okay. So are you happy with that?
Yeah. What's that there?
Film.
Oh, it's just some sort of a decal or a blank.
Yeah. So there's still a token here for me. $2.
What is it? $2.
$2.
Well, it's yours, right? You found it.
I can buy coffee. Coffee, $1 each for us.
No, you can buy a packet of lollies.
Oh yeah, and silly solis. Yeah. So
Alright.
how you reckon?
Well, I don't know. Well, the aircon's working good. If it's been done a week ago, that's all right.
Okay, you can shut that door so you can
Can I do that?
figure out how cold it is inside.
Might freeze.
Okay. It's not going yet. Maybe he forgot how to drive. See? He's going backward. You're dragging the blade. Right there. I need to inform. The blade. That's the trouble when you're not driving it. For how many weeks you forgot all these things. So yeah. So final ding ding. Shout out everyone. See you on the next video.